Arya, are you ready? Your performance is next. Don't keep the crowd waiting.
Yes, I am ready.
Tied up sneakers, dark blue denim, spitting sweet talk, dripping venom. They say be quiet, I say never. Break the rules, I live forever. Watch me shadow step the baseline. No time for your waiting line. You think you got me in your sight, baby? I'm the bump in the night. Oh, they try to lock me in a cage, but I'm the one who writes the page. Ready, set, now.
Hey guys, have you heard Arya's new song? It is so cool! Yes, the music is very catchy. I love her voice so much.
Chasing the wild, I'm taking flight. No safety net, I play it rough. Your pretty words are not enough. Yeah, aim to thrill. Got you standing still. Yeah, I am the hunter.
That day I was so tired. My head was spinning after a party with my friends, and my manager had to drive me home. Hello everyone. I am Arya. I am a famous idol. My latest mini album, Neon Heartbeat, was a huge success. I topped all the music charts and won many big awards. Aside from music, I also acted in many movies and got great success. In short, my life is perfect. In everyone's eyes, my life is perfect with no flaws.
Sure, one
Money,
autograph.
fame, beauty, I have it all. But you know what? Behind that bright spotlight, there was heavy pressure. And that tired night led to a disaster that still makes me laugh and cry today.
Arya, wake up! What did you just do? Look at social media right now!
What? Social media? Why are you screaming so early in the morning?
Last night when you were tired, you posted about the senior star's bad secret. It is true, but we have no proof at all.
Oh no, I just typed it out by accident.
That is not all. Now she is suing you for defamation.
What? No, that's impossible.
The company is freezing our schedules. Get ready.
This can't be happening. Oh my goodness, what did I do? I do not even remember typing these words. 10 million shares? I cannot delete it anymore.
Arya said lies about me. She is a bad person. I did nothing wrong, but she destroyed my career.
Oh no, it is all over for me. Arya, is it true that you posted fake news to ruin his career?
Why did you say those terrible things? Do you have any proof at all?
I am sorry. It is all a misunderstanding. Please stop taking pictures. Arya, look at me. Take a deep breath. Do not worry too much. But Iris, the news is everywhere. I am so scared. I know it is a big mess right now. Come on, let's go inside first. Here, drink some fresh juice. It will help you feel better. Thank you, Iris. So, how is the situation now? Can we change or fix anything? He is much more famous and powerful than me. His fans are boycotting me on every social media platform. They are putting pressure on my brands to cancel all of my contracts. What about the contract penalties? Is it a big amount of money? I can pay the money to cancel the contracts. But my company said I must hide for a while until this drama cools down. Then this is a good chance. You should go back to New York now and visit our parents too. I am afraid that Dad is still angry with me. Don't worry. Dad stopped being angry at you a long time ago. Really? But it is very difficult to book a flight ticket right now because of the scandal. Don't worry about that. I prepared everything for you. Your flight is ready. You can fly tonight. Thank you so much, sis.
Got you. Perfect shots. Time to go. This time, it'll be an exclusive.
Finally, I am back to Planet Lilytown. It has been 5 long years. Everything here still feels so peaceful, just like a dream. Excuse me, sir. Please stop the taxi here. I want to walk from here.
Are you sure, young lady? The house is still a bit far.
Yes, I am sure. I really want to walk and enjoy this fresh air. Thank you so much. I was born in this beautiful place, but I left for Seoul so early, chasing after a noisy and exhausting dream. I still remember Lily and Sophia when they were just little kids, running around and playing with me. I miss those sweet angels so much.
Arya? Is that really you? Oh my goodness, I cannot believe my eyes.
Nick! Wow, you look so different.
I started working here last year. But wait, what are you doing here? I thought you were a big star in Seoul.
It is a long story, Nick. Many things happened. So I decided to come back home for a while.
Let me help you with this heavy suitcase. I can walk you home.
Thank you, Nick. It is so good to see you again. But it's okay, I want to walk alone to enjoy the air. I need to go home and see my parents first. Let's talk later, okay?
Okay, take care. Oh no! Where did she go? She was just here a minute ago. I cannot lose her now. Hey, little girl, wait! Did you see a girl named Arya passing by here?
Arya! Which Arya?
Are you kidding me? Arya, the famous K-pop star. Don't you know her?
No, I didn't see her.
Ugh, what a waste of time.
Wait, Arya? Did Sister Arya come back home? Sister Arya, is that really you? Oh my goodness, Lily, you grew up so fast. I missed you so much. Why didn't you tell me you were coming home today? I wanted to give you a big surprise. I missed you and Sophia every single day in Seoul.
Haha, caught you.
Look at your face, Arya. You have sauce on your cheek. Oh, I am so full. I cannot eat anymore. Thank you, girls. I haven't had a happy meal like this for a long time. Food makes everything better. What's wrong, Sister Arya? Is it the scandal again? Yes, people on the internet are still saying terrible things about me. But I really didn't post that secret. That night, I only texted my friend and went to sleep. I swear I did not write those words. Someone must be tricking you. This is so unfair. I know, but I have no proof. My career is over. Don't cry, Sister Arya. You don't know much about technology, but I know. I know someone who does. Who? What do you mean, Sophia? Leave it to me. My dad is Victor, the head of V Corp. V Corp? That sounds so familiar. It's a very big company. Last month, my manager mentioned a proposal from V Corp. Is that your dad's company? Yes, his IT team is the best in the country. They can find out who hacked your account in 5 minutes.
Aha! Arya is eating fancy food and laughing while her fans are crying. Perfect! I will post these photos online. People will hate her even more.
Sister Arya, I think someone is taking pictures of us outside. What? Could a paparazzi really follow me all the way here? My trip was top secret. How could he know? Oh no, did someone follow you from the airport? This is bad. Don't worry, he thinks he can hide, but we won't let him ruin our day.
Listen up, everyone. Stop what you are doing. I have an urgent job for you. Yes, Mr. Victor, what do you need us to do? My daughter Sophia just called me. We need to check the IP address of the recent scandal post about the singer Arya. Arya? The K-pop star? Yes. Find out who really hacked her account and posted those bad words. Do it as fast as you can. Understood, boss? This article will show everyone your fake face, Arya. Arya is laughing and eating luxury sushi while her fans are crying. She doesn't care about anyone. Ha! Perfect! Time to post!
I can't believe this! She's a fraud! No way! This is insane!
This is outrageous! Boycott her!
How could she do this? I can't believe this. She's ruined. Boycott her! We're done! Worldwide outrage! Cancel her!
Arya, are you home? Good morning, Arya. I bought this coffee for you, just the way you liked it when we were in high school.
Oh, thank you so much. You still remember?
Of course I remember. I heard about the scandal. Are you doing okay? I was really worried about you.
I am fine, Nick. Don't worry. In this job, bad rumors happen all the time. I'm used to it now. By the way, Nick, do you have work today? Is there anything I can help you with?
Actually, yes. There is a little girl at the local hospital. She has cancer and is very sick. She is a huge fan of yours, and her biggest wish is to meet you just once.
Oh, poor little angel. Of course, I will visit her today. Please take me to her.
Thank you, Arya. You are always so kind. And don't worry about that paparazzi outside. As a police officer, and as your old friend, I promise I will catch him and protect you.
I can't believe we actually sneaked out through the back door. If the teacher catches us, we are dead.
Don't worry, Arya. I planned this escape perfectly. You've been practicing singing all morning. You need a sweet reward.
Thank you. Is that my favorite coffee?
Of course. Sweet coffee with extra milk and caramel. Just the way you like it. Drink up, my future superstar.
Thank you, Nick. You are the best friend ever.
Let's make it taller. Okay, my turn. It's so fun.
Hello, Chloe. Hello, kids. Are you having fun?
Uncle Nick, you came back.
Here is a small gift for you, Chloe. Stay strong and get well soon.
Thank you so much, Uncle Nick. You are so kind.
And guess what? That's not all. I brought you a much bigger surprise today.
A bigger surprise? What is it?
Come in, Arya.
Oh my goodness! It's Arya. Singer Arya is really here.
Hi, sweetie. Uncle Nick told me all about you. You are so brave, Chloe.
I listen to your songs every single day at the hospital. They make me feel better.
Thank you, my little angel. Whenever you feel tired, just remember that I am singing for you. You are my biggest hero, okay? Stay strong.
I will, Arya, I promise.
Arya has a husband and a secret child in her hometown? Perfect! This fake news will make me so much money. How dare you invent such fake stories? You are invading people's privacy. Delete all those photos right now. Or I will arrest you and take you to the police station. No way! This is my money! You can't touch me! Stop right there! Give me that camera! No way! Stay away from me, cop! This is bad. That cop is serious. I need to book a ticket and fly back right now.
It was your fault. You took my ball. No, I didn't. You are lying, Hunter.
Mister, please help us. Tell him I didn't take it.
Get away from me. I don't know you kids. Don't touch my camera. Ouch! My stomach! Are you crazy? Hey, stop that! My camera!
Take that, Buck!
Stupid kids. At least my memory card is safe. Time to fly back and get rich. Boss, I have the scoop of the century. Arya's career is over today. Excellent job! Put it on the big screen! Let me see what you've got! What? A virus! A virus! No! It's crashing! Stop it! No, no, no! What is on this card? What did you just do? My computers! Boss, a massive virus just wiped out our entire server. All fake news files and legal data are completely gone. Oh no! My money! My millions of dollars! Can you fix it? Restore the files now! I can't, boss. It's impossible. This is a high-level, advanced virus. It's deleting everything in seconds. What do you mean, high level? We pay you to protect our system. No one can stop this code. Our entire company system is dead. You ruined me. You are fired. Get out of my office right now. No, boss, please give me another chance. Get out. A toast to our smart, brave kids. You saved the day, everyone.
Bye-bye, evil paparazzi!
That bad guy will never come back again. Yeah, never again. And guess what? I have another fantastic piece of news for you all.
Really? What is it, Arya?
Thanks to clear proof from V Corp, my company fixed everything today.
What really happened, Arya?
The bad news about my senior artist was actually true, and a jealous worker hacked my account to post it and blame me.
And the police caught that hacker today. You are safe now, Arya.
Yay!
Sister Arya did nothing wrong. Our superstar is back.
Welcome to V Corp, Arya. Take a seat.
Thank you, Uncle Victor. It's so good to see you outside our neighborhood.
Yes. At home, I am your Uncle Victor. But here in this room, you are my special partner.
I am so grateful, Uncle Victor. Thank you for believing in me.
Down, distinct at night on the street. Feel, yeah, think in the mind too. If you see me going down, don't blink till I start die. Yeah, don't be